Hey everyone, welcome to Z Grills. I'm Chef Shane, and today we are going to be preparing smoked lobster rolls. We have some beautiful lobster tails that we're going to get ready to go on the grill so we can later on build these delicious sandwiches. So we've got 4 lobster tails. We're going to do a little cut on the undersides to expose that delicious meat, and we're going to dress each lobster tail with some garlic butter. I've got about 6 tablespoons of butter that I've melted down, and I've added a tablespoon of garlic powder. So let's get started. There we go. All right, let's go place these on the grill. Hey everyone, so we've made it outside to our grill. We have prepped our lobster tail. They're currently coated in garlic butter, and we're gonna place them in the smoker for about an hour. Smoker temperature is gonna run right around probably 165 to 170. It's a little higher when we start, but it'll even out. Let's get these guys going. We're gonna shut the door and we're gonna set a timer for about 45 minutes, and we'll come back and check the internal temperature, looking for about 135 degrees. Hey everyone, so we're back. We have prepared our lobster tail. We're reaching an internal temperature of about 130, 135 degrees. Now we get to build this delicious sandwich. And then we've got those 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, which I'm gonna wait for a moment. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my lobster now. We're gonna do a nice cubed chop. Just gonna dump this right in the bowl. Add that lemon juice. Whatever works best for you. Lots of different techniques. And you can see now that beautiful consistency as we get everything together. All right, so that looks really lovely. Now we have one final step. We've got these beautiful brioche buns. We're gonna throw these on the grill for a couple different reasons, only for a few minutes. It's gonna add color and it's gonna add a little bit of flavor. So I'm gonna take my buns. I've prepared some grass-fed butter that I've melted down. We're just gonna get a nice even coating on the top. So those look ready. We're just gonna put them on the grill. I'm gonna heat it up to about 350, and it's gonna create those beautiful lines for our presentation. We'll see you in a few minutes. Hey everyone, so we are back in the kitchen and we are ready to build our delicious lobster rolls. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split this guy open. We're gonna build him right here on the board. And you're literally just gonna spoon it in. Hey everyone, Chef Shane here with Z Grills. Our lobster rolls are ready. You can prepare this at home any day of the week, lunch or dinner. It's a wonderful treat for you and your family. So once again, folks, I'm Chef Shane here with Z Grills. Thank you for stopping by in our kitchen today. You can find us on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Please comment, like, and share, and we hope to see you in our kitchen again soon. Thanks for stopping by.